Welcome. In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your personal PIN code. First of all, make sure that you're trying to enter the security PIN code that you set up for yourself, and not the SIM card PIN code, because those two are often mistaken for each other. And if you're sure that you're trying to enter the right one, then take your time and try to remember the PIN code that worked the last time for you. And if you really can do that, you can try and contact the UMIDIGI customer support service and tell them about your issue. If you can prove the ownership of your tablet to them, they will most likely help you out solving your problem with regaining the access to the tablet without removing any personal information and data from it. And if this doesn't sound like an option for you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation. If you want to perform it remotely, you can use Find My Device feature. If you have Google account connected to your tablet and you didn't disconnect didn't disable Find My Device feature on this tablet, then you can search for the Find Hub service on Google and log in to this service with your Google account that is connected to this tablet. Select tablet on the list and perform factory reset in one click. This will remove everything from your tablets, including your personal data and applications and all the files, and after that you will be able to regain access to your tablet again. Now, if you can't perform this operation remotely, for example, if you don't have Google account connected to your device, or if you don't have Find My Device feature enabled, then you can perform factory reset operation locally, physically. To do that, you have to enter recovery mode, and if you don't know how to do that, or you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go check it out. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that I helped you, and if I did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.